my channel, my lovely people. Mama P's here again.
What are you making today?
Cowfoot with broad beans.
All right. So tell me, Ma, what's the ingredients?
Well, the ingredient here, I have 3 pounds of cowfoot. I already washed it with some lemon and vinegar. Then I have my spices here. I measured them already. They'll be listed in the description box. I have my scallion. I have pimento berries, onion, garlic, thyme, and pepper. Butter beans, complete seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, salt, my mushroom soy sauce, my adobo, my seasoning salt, garlic powder, and vinegar. Okay, so all my seasoning are measured, so I'm gonna just pour everything in here.
Oh, what was it, Mom? It was like a teaspoon or?
Yeah, I'll list them. Some of them is a half a teaspoon
And
or
some
a
is
teaspoonful.
yeah.
So I'm just gonna mix them up because I'm not gonna use all of this. I'm gonna leave some for when I'm finished pressured my cowfoot. I'm gonna pressure it because you know cowfoot is very tough.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put it in the pressure cooker
All right.
for a while. So I am going to start the process of putting my soy sauce on there.
Okay, so I see that's
Let's
a
see.
tablespoon.
Right there. I'll put a little bit more.
So that's 2 tablespoons.
And of course, if it needs more later, I'll put it. This is all my spice, so I'm gonna season it with that.
See, she gotta get in there. Sometimes you gotta use your hands.
Alright, so I seasoned this up already with all my dry spice.
So you're gonna let it marinate?
So I'm gonna cover it up and leave it there to marinate for about an hour, and then I'm gonna come back and put it in the pressure cooker.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, now that it's marinated, so I'm gonna put them in my pressure cooker because you know cowfoot is very tough. I'm gonna put them in there for about half an hour, and then I'll see where they're at. I probably have to put it back some more. All right.
She just add that so she can just use that for the gravy.
Let me put some water in there.
And you see, she didn't even really measure it. You just need enough to cover it.
Yeah.
So cover the cow foot.
I'm gonna get some more water. All right. That should do it.
So see, for she's crushing the garlic for the cow foot.
I use 5 cloves of garlic. I like a lot of garlic. And then this is salt the meat too. Alright, and then I'm gonna put 2 pegs of scallion in there. This can stand till later, and then I'm gonna put the pimento berries in there. And this will give it a nice taste. Alright, so don't put the scallion here. Yeah. A little bit of thyme in there. Alright.
Now she's gonna cover it and she's gonna pressure cook it for 30 minutes.
Alright. Okay. So all these is gonna go in later, and That's the leftovers of that and the beans. Okay, so now let's see if this is cooked. All right. Oh, yeah, they're good enough. So what I'm going to do now?
Oh, they're soft. Can you just show the people so they know what to look for?
They're not completely cooked yet. I'm gonna put them in the stove.
But they're kind of tender
enough to go in the pot now.
Oh, okay.
See? Look. See, they're soft enough so I can put them in the pot because I have to finish cooking them in the pot.
All right.
If somebody is cooking this and they don't want to put them, they don't have a pressure cooker, and they don't want to.
Yeah, if they don't have it, how
they can
like
just
cook it for about like
2.5 hours.
Okay. So you hear that, guys? If you don't have a pressure cooker, just do 2.5 hours on the stove.
Yeah, roundabout. They keep checking to see.
Yeah, periodically you will keep checking.
Alright, so I'm gonna put it
back on the stove.
Alright, so I'm gonna put some butter in there.
So like 2 tablespoons.
Then I'm gonna put all my green seasoning in there. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer for the pepper before I put in the pepper.
So you just put everything else in, guys, besides the pepper, except the pepper.
Yeah, but you can also put a little piece of the pimento seed, just a little tiny piece, just for the flavor, but not to make it hot.
See,
just
guys?
a little piece. It's not. I don't want it to be hot. That I'm going to put a little.
So you see, guys, she just cut a little piece of that, and then she just put
a whole one.
A whole one, and didn't cut it, so you know.
I'm gonna put a little bit of oyster sauce in there, just a little, not too much because this is salty.
That looks like it could have been like about a tablespoon.
Yeah, like a teaspoon.
Okay.
I like a lot. Then I'm going to go in with some ketchup now.
Looks like that could be like 2 tablespoons. That seems like a lot. Yeah, that's ketchup.
Put another tablespoon.
That's more.
So that's about 3 tablespoons of ketchup.
Yeah.
So I'm going to leave that there for the time being to cook, and then as soon as that cook down a little bit, then I'm gonna go in with my beans, but that's for later. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, this is some of the sauce that the spice the leftover from seasoning the pot, so I'm just gonna pour that in there. Let that simmer. Okay, so my pot have been going for the past half an hour, and my meat have been cooked. So now I am going to put my beans in. All right, so I'm gonna taste my pot to see if it need anything. All right, so I think I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in there. A little bit of salt.
And you see, she's going. She's seasoning it to your liking. So that's how you taste first, and then you see what it needs.
So now I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer down. All right, so that's my last check. Oh my goodness, look at that. And I'm turning off my stove because I know it's cooked. And it's bubbling down. Look at that. Look at the gravy. All right, so this is finished.
So now we're ready to
Guys,
plate.
so we are ready to plate. We are ready to plate, Tammy.
Yes.
There you have it, guys. Cowfoot with broad beans and veggie and rice. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. All right.
Yeah, take a bite of that. Take a bite of that cow foot, Mom.
Hot though.
It's hot, but it tastes good.
Yeah. Nice.
Good job. So guys, we'll see you next time, okay? All right, bye-bye.